Good morning. Welcome to Running in Circles with Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And one of those small choices is, getting a little exercise, working toward our goals, and sometimes we might have to make some changes in our schedule. Sometimes we might have to make some choices that help you to propel toward your goals. So I was thinking this morning about how about a year ago I was realizing I didn't have the exercise routine that I wanted, and it just wasn't fitting into my schedule. And so I went to my boss and I said, can I come in a half hour later? Can I start at 9 instead of 8:30? She said, yeah, no problem. She says, I don't think you're going to like it though, because that means it's going to be harder for you to get home and make dinner. And I said, okay, that's fine. Meanwhile, my husband doesn't like this schedule either. And he reminds me often that it would be better if I went in earlier so I could get home earlier and, cook dinner and not be so rushed in the evening. But this is what I find. Having the time in the morning scheduled to get my exercise in makes me feel amazing all through the day. And that is so important to me, that just little extra half hour of cushioning allows me to get my exercise in. So it's been about a year. I love it. Judah sometimes still reminds me that he doesn't like it. But that's okay. He doesn't have to like it. I have plenty of time to cook dinner when I get home, and it's not really rushed. So sometimes just using your imagination and seeing where you can tweak your schedule just a little bit is helpful. And that is just a little thing I wanted to share with you. That's what Nest Pretty is all about, like using your imagination and seeing how you can tweak your life, tweak your schedule, tweak your attitude, whatever it takes to get stuff done. Seriously, check out these flowers. They are so adorable. Birds of paradise, oh my word, they're so comical. They make me laugh every time I see them. So one other thing I wanted to mention, because this is very real and depending on who you are, is the cyclical change of seasons and how that affects you and your schedule, and then also honoring how that affects you. I know I heard someone the other day, she was talking about how this time of year in the fall, all of her cells come alive, she loves it, she thrives on it, and on and on. I can't give you the words because they're not mine. I feel exact opposite. I become alive in the spring, not in the fall. So even this morning, I had to make many small choices just to get out here. Number one, get out of bed. And then the drama, because it was dark outside, it's 61 degrees, all kinds of drama. So then the next choice was get dressed in your exercise clothes, to my socks. Just went to my socks. Took me a little while longer to put my shoes on. And it wasn't until I had my shoes on that I was like, okay, I'm gonna do this. So, every decision adds up. And sometimes you just gotta beat the mind drama to get you there. Of course, if this time of year energizes you and gets you super excited about getting outside in the fresh, brisk air, well, I'm so happy for you. Go for it. But for me, it was a bit of a struggle, but I did it. So I'm just here to encourage you. Number one, tweak your schedule if you need to be able to fit in things that are important to you. And number two, honor your ebb and flow with the seasons, and use your imagination to figure out how you can work with it. Thank you for joining me. I hope you have a fantastic Monday. And what else? I think that's it. Have a great day. Bye.